Oh ha, ang galing ko mag-beef flip, no?
Finally, nakapag-hotpot date din kami ni Hobby. This time, ang sinubukan namin is LAN Hotpot in Gateway Mall 2. 699 siya pag weekdays and 799 pag weekends. Sobrang cute ng theme ng LAN Hotpot. Para ka nasa outer space. The design is modern, bright, and ang linis ng branch na to. We went at 11 a.m. para wala pa masyadong tao. Syempre, nag-research muna ako bago ko pumunta dito. At ang pride ng LAN Hotpot is the signature chicken broth. 6 hours pinakuluan, fresh, aromatic braised broth. Ang wide ng selection ng hot pot ingredients and mas gusto ko yung ganitong process. Kukuha ka ng tray and just select the ingredient that you want sa hot pot mo. Mas mabilis and mas sanitary. Siyempre, just get what you can finish kasi may no leftover policy sila. Madaming pagpipilian ng veggies, mushrooms, meats, different types of noodles. This hot pot buffet is self-service and may time limit siya na 2 hours. Nasa hot pot phase ako ngayon, feeling ko mas healthy kasi. Mas nilalagyan ko ng mas maraming veggies, mushrooms, at pinaka-favorite ingredient ko ng hot pot itong mga fish balls, fish cakes, lobster balls, lalong-lalo na yung mga may cheese sa loob. They also have different kinds of meatballs, seafoods, and marinated meat. May fried on spot station din sila. Kukuha ka lang ng gusto mo. Then yung staff na yung magfa-fry for you and i-deliver na lang sa table. Drink station included na yung only iced tea. May mga fruits din nung pumunta kami, watermelon, oranges, and pineapples. May fried rice din, noodles, and pwede ka rin mag-request ng plain rice. Excited yan kumain. Now, time to make the dipping sauce. I made my own. Nilagyan ko ng garlic, celery, spring onions, satay sauce, soy sauce, and sesame oil. In fairness, nasarapan si Hubby dun sa ginawa kong sauce. Bagay na bagay daw kaya nagpagawa siya ulit. For the soup base, ang pinili namin is double combo. Signature chicken soup and golden chicken soup. Same taste lang naman sila. Ang difference is may chicken bits yung isa. We like the service dito sa Gateway 2. Itong staff na nag-serve sa amin, sobrang maasikaso. Sobrang bango ng chicken broth nila. Lalo tuloy kami nagutom kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast ni Hobby. At yes, nakatayo talaga ako pag nagluluto sa hotpot kasi hindi ko abot And look at this, ang saya-saya mag-hotpot. At yung signature chicken broth nila is really a must try. Sobrang comforting nito. At guys, you should take advantage of this soft opening promo. This artistic premium Australian beef is free per table pag nag-dine-in ka. I don't know until when to, wala kasing nakasulat do sa poster, but this is so sulit. Gawa ko tuloy yung famous beef flip. Ang galing ko, no? Siyempre, para pantay yung pagkakaluto ng beef and sobrang dali lang nito maluto. Don't overcook the beef para tender pa rin. At mas yummy siya kapag ididip dun sa ginawa kong dipping sauce. We also tried their fry on the spot, my french fries, and chicken pops. At more of these cheese and fish balls that I love. At guys, kasama din pala doon sa buffet nila ang ice cream. So many flavors to choose from. May milk tea, watermelon, choco, pineapple, milk, dessert siya, and pwede rin pang break ng lasa in between. Yummy! Buti na lang may dessert. Tinikman ko rin actually yung milk tea and masarap. Super enjoy and busog na busog kami dito sa LAN Hotpot.